Intellect once again. So today, guys, I welcome you all for advanced level geography lecture. In this advanced level geography lecture, we are dealing with a question that involves settlement, specifically the Harare Central Business District, its morphology and its land use linked with the related questions according to SIMSEC. So subscribe, like and share this channel. Thank you. Question number 5, Andika. 5A. So our question reads, describe the characteristics of the C.B.D. 6 marks, our advanced level geography question. So when you are describing the characteristics of the C.B.D, one of the most characteristics are it is skyscrapers. It is skyscrapers because because the cost of land is high within the C.B.D. So individuals or businessmen and whatsoever, they choose to use this skyscrapers. Why? Because the cost of land is high, so they build my skyscrapers agenda being above all. You have high volume of traffic during or between 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. or during the morning, because most individuals will be approaching the C.B.D from home towards their workplaces. Also, it has got specialist shops, e.g. we have got issues like cinemas, we have got banks, we have got opticians and whatsoever within the C.B.D. Also, it has got footbridges in order to limit pedestrians. Also, it has got traffic lights. Titima robots, we say traffic lights, and it has got my traffic lights to control traffic and my pedestrians as they will be moving. Again, other characteristics, there's a high cost of products. It is one of those of the bid rent theory. So some of the characteristics of the C.B.D. Then after that, we have got part B. This question reads, with reference to any city we have studied, describe and explain the location of its land uses. So in this case, the question says with reference to any city. So just because we are in Zimbabwe, it is easier for us to denote the locational, the location of any land uses. So we can now say, when you are talking about the location of my land uses, land usage refers to the practices that are done with reference to urban morphology. What is urban morphology? It is the arrangement of activities within the C.B.D. For instance, we can use the concentric model. In this case, we can use the concentric model to explain the land uses of Harare city. Are we together? So we're using the concentric model we have got. It says that the city grows in a concentric. So number 1, that is C.B.D. 2, wholesale manufacturing. 3, it's low class residential. Then 4, medium class residential. Then 5, it's high class residential. So this represents the C.B.D. So we will be C.B.D. Then it's wholesale and manufacturing in this class. Then we have got low class residential. Then you have got medium class. Then in this case, we have got high-class residential and commuter zones. So with the reference to Harare as our city in this case, linking the concentric model to the land use model of this urban morphology characteristics, you'll be saying that in Harare, our C.B.D. evolves around Joiner City, Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe, within and First Street. Why are we saying so? Kuti our C.B.D. in Harare, Irimpa Joiner City, Reserve Bank nemuna First Street. Why? These areas resemble characteristics of the CBD. For example, at Joiner City, we've got the footbridge, and above all, we've got traffic lights, and above all, despite that, we've got skyscrapers around this area. Joiner City is a skyscraper, Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe is a skyscraper, and within the First Street we've got a lot of skyscrapers, which means that the cost of land in this area is high, as is influenced by these characteristics. And at Joiner City, between 7 a.m. to 7 to 8 p.m. during the night, there is a high volume of pedestrians, which means that it is the central business district. Above all, it has got specialist services. For example, we've got restaurants at Joiner City, we've got cinemas, for example, the Steg Kinako, which is at Joiner City in Harare. So this resembles the characters of the central business district. As moving from the CBD, as we approach areas that is around the wholesale, okay, we can say wholesale in manufacturing evolves as the twilight zone that is around the CBD. For example, we've got Badela wholesalers, which is located around the CBD. We've got Badela wholesalers, then we've got mini tuck shops or mini shops that evolve, that are in Cameroon Street. They resemble the characteristics of wholesale in manufacturing. In Cameroon, in Rosende Street, there are lots of shops that sells goods in bulk, and it represents the wholesale characteristics in manufacturing. And above all, we've got Waverley. And Waverley, Gadzirama blankets, we've got Croxley, we've got Exide in my industry, we've got Capri, Coca-Cola, and one in Granite side. And this is the zone where we found wholesale and manufacturing and light industries. Above all, moving from this zone, we have got a low-class residential, which is witnessed in Mbare, which is witnessed in Sunningdale. These areas, they resemble low-class residential, where we have got high population in a small square kilometer, and we have got small houses with mini plots, and we've got flats atinowana kumbare nema characteristics esari musaninje waya anoratidza kuti it's a low class residential. So we are using Harare as our point of reference. And above all, we've got medium density, which we witnessed in Arcadia. Arcadia is a medium density, and Crembon, we can refer to it as medium density residential areas. In Arcadia, they have got medium houses, semi-detached houses. In Arcadia, we have what we call semi-detached houses, houses that were built by the first migrants population, that is the colors, the vaka dzimba dzavo dzadza. Ine ma characteristics tinowana also ma specialist services arimo nechi. Then we have got high class residential such as Borodale, Mantara, and whatsoever. And these have got large plots, and it is witnessed by low population, cannot few number of individual or families per every square kilometer, and few number of houses per every kilometer in these areas. And it is favored with the good tarted roads, and the houses have got the swimming pools, houses have got the tennis courts, nekunana avunde unanachi. These are low class, high class residential areas. So now we have shown with the reference to Harare, we have managed to describe landuses edu atinawo amene kanaone mvunzo. Saka nyaya yanga iripo ndeyekuti in explanation we were going to explain that land uses, these are functions that we found evolving around a city. So with the point of reference, we can link Harare with the concentric model is explained below. Saka waigona utanga wadraw ako kuti chichi wozotanga kurefera zvatachita kuti apa pane chakata pane chakata pane chakata. Then tapedza ipapo bva tazonzi using examples assess measures being taken by city authorities to address problems found within the CBD. So now the question is now demanding us to see how the city council, how the authorities, city authorities, how city authorities address problems in the CBD. So here, with the point of reference, we've got Harare municipality. Saka, we are now observing how the Harare municipality is addressing issues that are found within the CBD. So the addresses using police patrols. Police patrols are used to address the issue of theft and the conmen that are found within the CBD, the control law and the order. And also we have got use of traffic lights, e.g. in Julius Nyerere, between Julius Nyerere, corner Julius Nyerere and Jason Moyo. Kana chiti corner Julius Nyerere and Jason Moyo pari address kwa uya ari CBD anokona chipinda mtown chichibva uchitungwiza kana kuairport kana kupi kana kuti vanhu vanogara kuuptown muchibva nekunambuya neunderstatue. Handiti kuona panosangana road yekujoina city neroad yemuna Julius Pipe padzosangana ndokuona Julius Nyerere naJackson pane matraffic lights ari kucontrola ma-problems of accidents kuti asaitike. Handitika also we have got what they call it, or above all tabva ipapo we have got also refuse collection. Vanoita inonzi refuse collection to address land pollution. Handika vanoitwa refuse collection, vanotakura marara. Handitika municipality yemuHarare tinoona ana mbuya na baba vedu vana mai vedu vanoshanda vakapfeka magloves vachita sei vachitakura marara nemarori nechi vanenge vachiadressa issue land pollution vachiita refuse collection muHarare zviri kuitwa nemunicipality. Handika chimwe chatinoona chichiitwa muHarare chinobatsiridza kucontrola maproblems. Tine nyaya yelegislation, handika e.g. touting and vending is not allowed within the CBD. Hakuna mavenda anobvumidzwa mu CBD. Ndosaka uchiona kune mutemo unorava mapurisa anofamba achidzinga vanhu nechi kuti vasatengesere mu CBD kuadressa issue yetouting nevending musiti musakanganisika. Also what else? What other issues unofunga kuti mu CBD ari kuiswa kuadressa certain problems? Tine maishu akati sevhani kutoita ma-educational campaign, how through posters pakanzi keep Harare clean. Handika pari kunzi hanzi keep Harare clean. Ndona touting kudedzera zvemawindi panenge achiti NOP makoni hedzi varasikwa epwezi hazvidiwe zvinosungisa zvese zvacho. Then however takuzoti aiwa no apangonzi using assess. So we are assessing in our question, we are saying these are positive. Then we have negative attributes whereby the Harare municipality is failing to address issues that it is facing in the CBD. Oh, we have got high unemployment rate. We have got high unemployment rate. Irimo muchinde tine high unemployment rate agara kwa tine high unemployment rate irimo mu Harare CBD. Handika saka high unemployment rate inoita kuti it causes the Harare city council to fail to control issue of vending. Havasi kuadressa issue of unemployment. Handika also tine poor machines. And sometimes their machines, they are not effective enough kutakura marara arimo mu CBD. Tinema issues corruption. And whereby mapurisa acho anenge aida kuti anodedzwa kuti acontrole vanhu mu CBD vapuwa mari, they fail to address the issue of touting and vending zvacho. And mawindi anongova pamari yekati zvatopera. So these are some of the problem. Toita futi ma-issues akafanana nana poor sanitation, whereby we need a healthy Harare, but they fail to provide water. Andika, ndo ma-issues acho.